I would be kind of embarrassed probably to take somebody in there on a grand tour of my home because of the shower, because of the mildew on the baseboards that are outside the shower.
Karen and her husband Mike knew it was time for a bathroom remodel.
A lot of people these days recognize that their tubs represent wasted space. They never take a bath, and the only real purpose it serves is to hang dirty clothes or give the dog a bath, and it just sits there.
Currently, it's mostly used for a dirty clothes hamper. It's a great place to pitch wet towels and dirty clothes, and that's pretty much what we use it for.
Even though it's just taking up space, Karen isn't quite ready to say goodbye to the old bathtub.
I have reservations about taking the bathtub out, and that's something that my husband is interested in doing. My concern is for resale. Will that be an issue when we resell this house, if we resell it?
It's one of the more common misconceptions in the industry is people think that if they don't have a bathtub in their master bathroom, that it will adversely affect resale value, and that's simply not true.
So it's not really like I'm going to miss it. I'll just have to buy a dirty clothes hamper.
Karen and Mike knew they wanted a creative and custom new bathroom design. That's why they called Trifection. They kept the existing vanity and incorporated the large bathroom window in the remodel.
I really do like it. I was skeptical from the get-go about taking that bathtub out, but now that I have the space and I've used the shower, it's wonderful.
Great. Well, I think Karen and Mike here, even though they had seen drawings and we had done a template, once we had demoed the tub and shower on what exactly it was going to look like, I think once they got in it, when the project was finished, they were very pleasantly surprised by just how much room they had, how enjoyable it was to take a shower in there, and they're not missing their bathtub one bit.
Well, the shower itself, it's so big. The first shower I took in it, I just felt like I was in the wide open spaces.
The mildew and unused tub are gone. New tile and a great new shower design make this home stand out in the neighborhood. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.